the Talapanan Beach located in the Puerto Galera, Philippines. Whether you're seeking relaxation or adventure, this beach offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle that have a bonding with your family. For the becoming known tourist spot, Talapanan Beach was a quiet fishing village. The indigenous people, particularly the Mangyan tribe, live in the area with their culture and the wave of life centered around the sea for sustenance and had a deep connection with the land and sea, which remains evident in the local customs today. As you step into the soft golden sand, the gentle sound of the waves crashing along the shore instantly soothes your mind. The crystal clear water stretches out in front of you, inviting you to take a dip or simply bask in the sun. For those seeking adventure, Talapanan offers activities such as snorkeling and kayaking. You might even spot local fishermen bringing their catch and have a perfect picnic place for your friends and family. As the sun begins to set, painting the sky with the use of orange and pink, Talapanan Beach becomes even more magical. It's the perfect place to unwind, reflect, and enjoy the simple beauty of nature.